This thing with Catherine seems pretty important.
Oh my god.
Either way, it's sure as hell not a good time to pick this up. Sorry, Catherine. There's something I need to do. I'll hear you out later. I promise, all right?
Oh, if it's that important, I understand. Sorry for bringing this up out of nowhere. Just don't worry about what I said. You should hurry.
Yeah, thanks, Catherine.
I knew it.
Damn.
Maybe I should have been more honest with him.
The story is approaching its climax. You may wish to save now. Ah. Alright, chat. Time to save and then do a branding deal that we're 10 minutes late for. Sick. We'll definitely finish this tomorrow. Or at least we'll try to. But yeah, we gotta do a branding deal for Warsaw. So, apologies, chat. I told you it was at 8 and it's already 8:10. Do I love it? It's pretty sick. Whew. That shit was wild. Very, very, very hard game sometimes, I swears. Alright, so... Oh, whoops, my bad. That is not my background music. This is my background music. Excellent. Put that on there because my screen broke. I'm a not professional. So... Turns out, Ren best girl. Who knew? I didn't know that. Now I know that. Let me go ahead and make my tweet really quick. This. And done. Professionalism. Okay. Loading up the video game. Alright, chat. Welcome to welcome to it's not picking up. Be right back. There we go. I had to restart my OBS. I'm sorry. Once my monitor does the thing where it breaks, I have to restart it. Otherwise, I just have a bunch of issues. Should be good now. Should be good now. Do you see this man's intense eyeballs? One day they'll fix display captures. Yeah, one day. It ain't today. Oh, why am I... No, I'm fine now. I should be. Wait, what are we switching games? Yeah, we have branding deal. We have legal obligations. Also, this game is like Valiant Hearts meets frickin' Darkest Dungeon, I hears. So, I think this could be up some people's alley. For the record. Yeah. 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 So, you know what? I'm gonna go... Technically, I'm already on Branding Deal's stream time, but I'm gonna go like an extra 10 minutes over to make up for the fact that I'm about to take a quick pee break, actually, because we didn't do that. Oh, yeah. then we'll switch into it. So then we can get a little you know, a little buffer between games. You know what I mean? Like going right into this right after that, just I don't know. My brain right now is in puzzle mode. I have to have a little buffer, and then I can get into this. So we're gonna put on some Jingleberries really quick, and we'll be right back. And boop. Nope. Wait. Oh, I see the problem there. Okay. Got it. Ooh. All right, chat. Be good.
Tomorrow
Yo, what up, gamers? Hopefully you all had a wonderful pee break and are ready for some intense, high octane stuff. I hope so. Can I explain this? Well, it's not my doing. It was... shit. Milky gave me their name. It was... shit. Milky didn't give me their name. Someone else gave me their name. It started with a D, though. Devian, maybe? Something like that? They made it. Wasn't my fault. Either way, shit looks dope. The Pika was a... don't worry about it. The year is 1944. Battered by opposing forces on two fronts, the Third Reich begins to crumble. In Central Europe, Poland lies at the heart of the storm, caught between the waning Nazi oppression and the rising Soviet threat. There is little hope for release. Despite the unfavorable odds, the Polish Home Army, now an underground resistance movement, is given the go-ahead by the country's government in exile. As the final part of the countrywide Operation Tempest, it's gone. August 1st, 1944. The W Hour. 952,000 people live in the uprising area. The first skirmishes begin. The Woo Hour. Time for plot. Or tutorial, I'm sorry. The uprising begins. But before you're thrown in the deep end, will you play the short tutorial? Alright. Exploration. Right now, you're exploring a fragment of the city. And your party is represented by a unique symbol. It's that thing. You can see your current team, inventory, and available action points at the bottom of the screen. I like the art. This guy right here, the third guy, Kazimierz, I think? I love that art. I don't know why. I mean, it's the same art style, I get it, but like, I just love this, how you don't see his eyes, and then like the nose is like a billhook nose, or I forget what it's called. Either way, that looks great. Also, Anonymous, thank you for giving us sub to Autumn Shoe, as well as Norwhale, Ash Heart, Demand Night. It was almost 2 years. Jeez, thanks, man. And Sleepy Streams. Alright, so our action points are there. Your task is to complete the mission by fulfilling the objectives, so we gotta reach the hideout. Moving on the map depletes your action points. Should you run out of action points before completing the given set of objectives, a mission will result in a failure. Okay. For now, however, continue along. What? Okay, those are just barricades. Encounters. Along your way through the streets and the sewers of Warsaw, you will run into enemies, loot, and multiple choice events. Ooh. I love this kind of stuff. Multiple choice things where, like, I'm going to assume it's going to be like, you spot a dog eating an old lady. Do you help the dog kill the old lady, or do you let it fend for itself? Like, I would love that kind of shit. Certain enemies may force you into combat if they spot you and you are in their danger zone, represented by a red circle around the enemy symbol. Consult the eye. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking about what I just said. Just imagine a dog is attacking an old lady. You run up to the old lady's like, oh, thank you, and just start beating it. Oh, it's so like Bizarro world shit. I don't know, man. If any of these encounters are nearby, an arrow displayed near your party will oh, that's bad. Initiate the encounter by approaching it with your party. Okay. Oh, we have all these. Okay, so it has like Darkest Dungeon mechanics here with those things when we get into combat, I believe. Hey, yo. Any ammunition? Your team needs ammunition before they can join the fight. Thanks, I'm just another dreamer. Ooh. Before you set out for the rally point, the first order of business is to arm yourself. Your team arrives to receive their assigned share of ammunition from a resistance arsenal. And not a moment too soon. A Nazi patrol appears in the distance, likely alarmed by the unusual activity in the district. If you want a rendezvous with the uprising, you will have to fight your way through. Okay, so, might I have some short ammo? Oh, I just have these now. Okay. Oh, okay, that's how I get them. Okay. Events usually offer multiple choices to pick from. Certain choices during these events may require spending resources or passing trait checks with one of your characters. Oh, okay. Supply drops, resources caches, discarded weaponry. While in the fields, you will run into many opportunities to retrieve equipment from the uprising. When the loot window is open, click the items you wish to store in your inventory or the loot all button. Note the inventory space is limited and you should go over your capacity. Should you go over your capacity, you'll need to. Okay, so it's just basic inventory management. Thanks, gamer. Bad boys there. Oh, there's guns there. We shouldn't go that way. Let's go. The Nazi patrol needs to be eliminated. Let's do it. In Warsaw, you begin each round with a number of activations equal to the number of combatants on your side. Okay. Activations are required to perform skills. Both sides alternate in using their activations, and the current round ends when both sides use their allotted activations. Now you're activating a combatant. Okay. Highlight using the mouse and press the LMB to select. Here's the stuff. Here's the stuff. Here's the stuff. That's right? Yeah, that's totally right. Highlight a skill using the mouse and display a tooltip markers that show the starting position required for performing. Okay. I see. Oh, but here, but there, but here. When you select a skill marker showing that range, a skill... Oh! Okay, well that's helpful, I guess. Oh. Poor boy took a shot to the leg. Why did he get his leg amputated and then put into his chest? You have successfully damaged an opponent with your skill, but it costs you some ammunition and a point of stamina. Stamina is displayed under the combatant's health bar. The combatant's effectiveness relies on their stamina level. 3 is no penalties, 2 is accuracy by 10%, 1 is all damage received increased by 20%, and 0 is you just can't do anything. And you get 1 for each round. Okay. Whoa! Some skills are able to affect more than a single target. Okay. In addition, the skill will highlight multiple targets during... Okay.
Tell me about it.
It sure is. Thanks, MJ Gowan. The fuck is this game? It's like Darkest Dungeon meets Valiant Hearts in terms of aesthetic and... Pretty neat so far. Anyway, you want to get healed? When using defensive skills, the target marker appears on... Okay. Right. This is... I can't see his name, but I'm assuming that's him. I remembered his name from reading it. Oh god, he's dead. Notice that your character took reduced damage. Standing right behind the obstacles grants combatants additional armor. Whoa, it's just like Plants vs. Zombies. Does this game have a pupper companion? Because we all know that all war films and games that would end in failure if it didn't have a good boy who saved everyone's ass in the end. I don't know. I could totally see a pupper companion looking good in this. Go dog. Notice that you have other options aside from offensive or defensive skills, such as moving your character or skipping the activation altogether. While both use an up and an activation, only movement affects stamina. Okay. Select movement. Oh, select the tile behind him. Okay. I'm safe. Combatants on both sides occupy tiles on one of the two horizontal lanes. All targets attacked from other lanes are considered flanked. Okay. Note that this applies both to your party and the enemies and does not apply to enemy heavy weapons or armored. Okay. So, you're gonna get flanked on, son. Sorry, son. Yeah. No, dude, you fell for his ruse! Oh my god, you fool. Alright, select this dude or it's time for a buff. Select contraband ammunition. Use that to mow down. Wait, what? Note that you cannot use mow down because of your incorrect position. Oh my god, he's right! Get buffed on, son. Oh.
Damy frycom popalić!
Skills can apply an array of buffs, which are displayed as icons near your combatant's portrait. You can hover over those icons to check their effect and remaining duration.
Happy!
His body! It's riddled with bullets! Some skills can also apply debuffs to enemy targets. Burn and Bleed afflict damage over time. Blind decreases the target's accuracy, and Suppression prevents the target from performing skills altogether. Like with the buffs, each activation and round decreases the debuff's remaining duration. You got it, duder. If you needed to unselect that duder, right-click that chisel. Nice. Whoa. Win the battle. Okay, so now they want us to get good. We can do that. Maybe. Okay. How many healths? 11? Dog, finish him. Dead.
Happy!
Is this from the creators of Darkest Dungeon or someone else? I'm not 100% sure. I like that I can choose who I get to attack with each time, though. At least I think so. Unless I'm wholly mistaken. That seems like that's the case. Anyway, that guy is safe from my wrath for now. But I can help my boys. I don't know what she just said. What's sklep mean, chat? I need to know. If I don't know, I'll never know. I can't use this here unless I move. There. Oh. My bad. There you go. Wait, you actually should have moved even closer, but that's okay. You tried your best. Are you ready for friggin' pain, my dude? Okay, he's wait, this uses a lot of ammo. Whoa, never mind. Maybe I should just do a single shot on this gamer. No, I can't. Because that's only for back hits. Dang, they use 6 ammos. Alright. All of these seem to use 6 ammos. Wait, how much ammos do we even have? Maybe We have a lot of ammos. Don't worry about using 6 ammos. It's just 6 ammos. He's dead. Sklep is Polish for shop? Okay. I wonder what they sold. Maybe they sold shops. Remember, death is permanent. Whether in battle or events, it is vital to keep your characters alive and well, especially since their health does not replenish automatically. While certain rewards may appear promising, sometimes it is better to limit your risks to avoid combat altogether. This is a permadeath game, son. That's dope. Huh. Arrival. Having emerged victorious from their first real engagement, your team descends into the city's sewer network to reach the rally point. There is little time to celebrate, however, for the hard part comes next. The uprising is now in full swing. The long battle has begun. Return to the hideout. When all the objectives are fulfilled, an icon will appear in the upper left. Boop. Hey, they looking pretty good. Ooh, thanks, Pump Master Flow. Momentum. Duders, we lost 1% of momentum on our uprising, but that's okay. I feel like this is missing some background music. Oh, they did say they were, there were, like, they still have plans to add audios and stuff, so you know what? I'm going to give it some fitting thematic music while there is none, so I can just pop it in every once in a while. So, I mean, pretty much what would fit the most here, probably some jazz hip-hop. Wonderful. Yep. That'll do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's... that'll do it. Okay. Carrying out missions takes time. At the end of every mission, you will receive a quick summary of all the gains and losses of the uprising. You will also get to resolve all the events that have transpired in the meantime. Yep. Insurgents have recovered some of their health. That's good. Okay, these have lyrics. Never mind. All right, I definitely thought those were instrumental. All right, 1 second. There we go. Okay. God, what a jiggly boy that is. Anyway, let's see. War essence balance. Difference between war essence generated by all districts in the valley needed to keep the momentum unchanged on a given day. Oh, so I just need more stuff. Okay. One of the youngest members of the Grey Rings was forced to kill an enemy soldier in self-defense today. Curiously, despite the initial shock, it would seem the youthful soldier has taken quite a liking to firing guns of all shapes and sizes now, and is excited to get back into the fray. Plus 1% uprising momentum. That's good. Hey! We got a murderer. We're ready. Hey, you hear that music? It's a little quiet. I think I can change that. But is it quiet to you too, or is that just me? Here you can plan new missions, oversee party recovery,